While human survival relies on one heart and red blood, the octopus rules the deep ocean using three beating hearts and bright blue blood. To understand this bizarre anatomy, we have to look at their highly active and predatory lifestyle. Unlike slow-moving clams, their evolutionary cousins, octopuses are high-energy hunters that need massive amounts of oxygen. But carrying oxygen through the cold, low-oxygen depths of the ocean is an extreme physiological challenge. Humans use iron-rich hemoglobin to bind oxygen, which gives our blood its characteristic red color. But the octopus evolved to use a completely different, copper-based protein called hemocyanin. When this copper-rich protein binds with oxygen, it turns a striking, alien-like shade of blue. This copper-based system is incredibly efficient at transporting oxygen in freezing, dark waters. However, there is a major catch to this unique blue blood system. Hemocyanin is naturally much thicker and more viscous than human blood, and pushing this thick, sluggish blue blood through a complex body requires immense physical pressure. This is exactly why a single heart simply was not enough to keep the octopus alive. To solve this pressure problem, evolution equipped the octopus with three distinct hearts. Two of these hearts are called branchial hearts, and they have one specific job. They sit on either side of the body, dedicated solely to pumping deoxygenated blood through the gills. Once the gills enrich the blood with oxygen, the third heart takes over the heavy lifting. This central systemic heart pumps the freshly oxygenated blue blood to the rest of the body and organs. But this intricate triple heart system operates under a bizarre biological limitation. When an octopus swims quickly, its main systemic heart actually stops beating entirely. The immense physical effort of swimming creates too much pressure for the central heart to handle. This is why you will rarely see an octopus constantly swimming long distances in the open ocean. It tires them out incredibly quickly, forcing them to crawl along the seabed instead to save energy. This crawling movement requires far less effort, keeping their hearts beating steadily. But don't mistake this limitation for weakness, because their circulatory system is a masterpiece of adaptation. It allows them to survive in oxygen-deprived environments that would instantly kill other marine predators. From freezing polar waters to roasting hydrothermal vents, their blue blood keeps them active. They can even survive briefly out of water, as long as their gills remain wet. Ultimately, the alien biology of the octopus reminds us that there is more than one way to build a highly intelligent, successful predator.